Sure, Shanky is awesome.
Hurry up, dude.
Okay, I'm just inspecting.
45 seconds in.
Screw it, let's just go.
That's the best way to attack any solution. Screw it, let's just go.
As my cousin would say, fuck the police.
Because either A, we can keep trading off this camera, or I can just go get my fucking own. And it's like 100 something dollars.
2184.
Ooh. Nice.
Oh, that thing?
Holy shit.
I know, there's 2 F2L pairs in the scramble.
Okay. Completely disregard F2L pairs. Wait, what the fuck? Oh shit, I lost it. Okay, there it is. Oh, fuck. Alright, let's redo that one.
Yeah.
Fail.
Okay. Magical editing! Now. It'll still time it.
Oh god, I'm just slow PLI. Alright.
2732.
Yeah. You saved that F2.
And then you made a reference to Schrodinger's cat. It was like,
yeah.
What? Dude, what the hell?
You
don't know what this love is all about. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. Oh, Uber Easy crosses Uber Easy.
It's the same level we had. Nice.
2376.
What'd you say? Oh, there it is. It's always that last edge hiding. Yeah, I'm using tractor shit.
And I'm learning to track my F2L pairs.
What the fuck? Yeah. Oh, this one's a fail solve. Yeah, I could already tell. Fuck, I want to redo that one, but I... 8 seconds, go for it. I was about to say, dude, before you do your F2L. I'm reality. Series 2.
27.8. My hand is shaking.
You're really nervous.
I know, because it's like, this counts, this is gonna be on YouTube, and if you fuck up, it's for the whole world to see. Of course, sometimes the easiest cross leads to, like, the hardest F2L.
Exactly. Superman will forever be gay to me.
Nice.
That's on the lower end. God, I'm still sweating. If I
Okay,
get this too
this
wet,
song sucks.
too early.
Don't come out.
Oh, hacking the head. Ooh, where do you go? Go back this way.
That sucked. Major testicles.
Woo, 29, dude. I'm putting random objects through the shot.
I heard a story on the radio the other day about some FDR actually went to this little town in Georgia and would drink moonshine during Prohibition.
What? Seriously?
Seriously.
I was about to say, I think I just fucked up, but I didn't.
I know like one F2L elk, and I use it so much.
See, I didn't think about checking for the full OLL. That's gonna T-pun. That's gonna be an issue for me. I almost popped there. All right, cool. That almost popped right there.
25.8.
I just gotta get like a 21 like you did, and then we'll be in the same.
I don't know how that 21 was. My times are in like ascending order. 21, 23, 27, 29. Okay, good. One edge is solved.
Okay. I actually don't like it when one edge is solved. Hi, I'm solving the cube. I'm a stapler. Yeah. Oh, your stapler's kind of gay. Yeah. Oh, I have 3 mouths. Well, 2 technically. Oh, up. Oh, okay, 27. Oh, I thought that was pretty good.
I felt good when I was doing it.
I know,
That's
right?
what she said. I know, but. Oh, you.
Yeah, Ned.
Me and my cousin were playing Army of Two like freaking crazy. And like and we had to set a bomb at one part, and I was covering him. This guy was sneaking up behind him and was like, "Dude, there's a guy coming on your ass." And he's like, "Well, you think I would know that?"
Yes, me and Dustin make fun of that word all the time because it's in a lot of Christian songs. Like, come to me, Jesus, come. And it's like, so I can't really take him to church much more without laughing. I haven't been in a while, actually. Okay, 27. Alright, so. 28. Just
26.2.
Bastard! He's 1 second.
I know.
And that was only one thing, too. So.
That was one average. I mean, we need to do this like 25 times.
Yeah, oh, yeah, you were right.
CLT, bitch. Okay, so that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Anything? Hello, mother of mine.
Hi guys. I brought you chopsticks.
That's it.
Yep.
What are you guys